Welcome. In front of me is a Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that, for instance, you don't know the combination to. So, to get started, let's power off our device. Once it turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. This will take us to the boot mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode, as you can see right here, and then press power key to confirm it. And once you're in the recovery mode, I'm gonna scroll down to wipe data factory reset, again using volume keys, and confirm it with power key, and select yes, and again power key to confirm it. Once it's completed, which you can see right at the bottom, data wipe complete, reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot into the setup screen. Now, normally it does take several minutes, but in here, below a minute, and we should about see it, so. And there is the setup screen. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.